Okay, so let's start this section. Edit drawer, one separate drawer widget. So make widgets folder and a lib folder. So open editor, this page. Inside lib, make widget folder, widget. And inside the widget folder, make home underscore drawer dot. Okay, so inside this, let's make stateless widget and please naming home drawer. Okay, so in home page, we want to extract this drawer part. So please copy this to this. So and delete this and go to home drawer dot. Copy this and add semicolon. Fix indent. So let's check the error. Fix the error. Import material dot. Okay, a lot of error disappears. And we also need to import this page. And also Firebase Auth. Okay, so error disappears. So in home page dot, we want to import home drawer here, this one. So please, okay. And it automatically added. So we need to delete unnecessary import and save this. So let's go back document. We finished this. And next to pass widget dot is authenticated to home drawer. So from home page, we want to pass is authenticated value to home drawer. So, oops, sorry. Okay. So pass is authenticated. This is so from main dot that this is one level, and next inside home page this is 2 level pass down. Oops, sorry. And this shows error, so let's fix this error. So go back document. We need this. Copy this and open editor in home drawer dot at this code. So let's check if error disappears. Okay, error disappears. So let's go back document. So number 4, change drawer content by is authenticated. We want to change drawer item by is authenticated value. So please copy these lines. So copy to from here and open home drawer dot. So replace this list tile. Login, register, sign out, delete this 3 item and paste the code. I think, oh, we need to fix this to import this and save this. And we also need my post page. Import this. Okay, error disappeared. And we also need to fix this. We need to update SDK constraints. Save this. And okay, close this. So first, let's check this syntax. This is a conditional syntax, so you can check this code is from here. So let's check code again. Sorry, delete this. So this means if is authenticated true, it renders this. So my post page and sign out link. If not is authenticated, it renders the login item and register. So let's check the emulator. So please restart this emulator. Okay, so currently homepage after login. So drawer is my post and sign out. So it's okay. So if you sign out homepage before login, so please check drawer. It's login and register. And again, login. So okay, homepage after login and inside drawer, the content is changing. Okay, so let's go back to document again. So we finished this. Okay, everything is okay. So review pass and props. Like this example, passing down is authenticate is troublesome. So in the next step, I will introduce provider. Thank you.